Hello you guys, how are we all doing? Welcome to my first video with my new green screen. Today's my little get ready with me video. So as always, I am using my Nivea Essentials Moisturizer. This is my favorite thing ever. It's literally the only moisturizer I will ever use. It works perfect on my skin and it has 15 SPF in it. And then I am now going on to use my favorite lip balm ever. This you can literally get at the dollar store. I rave about it all the time. And now we are doing some light concealer. This is from Merit. It is their complexion stick. I'm just putting that underneath my eyes. I then also just place it in some more problematic spots on my face, and then I just blend it out with my fingers. We don't use brushes here. Next, I'm just using a little spoolie brush just to brush out the brows and kind of just shape them the way I want just before I start going in with my brow gel. And speaking about brow gel, this is one of my favorite ones. It's the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in shade number 5, and I just lightly place that throughout my eyebrows and kind of just like build it up a bit. While I do my brows, I just want to say if you guys like my editing and want to see more of it or even learn some of my editing, you guys should definitely check out my TikTok. I show it all over there, but now I am just brushing that out and kind of just blend it out. And then I take this Maybelline stuff and it's basically just like clear mascara slash clear brow gel, and I just lightly sparse that through my brows. I like to go for a feathery brow, but nothing too dramatic, so I just do it very lightly. I comb the front up a bit and drag out the ends just the slightest bit so we get the soapy feathery brow, but nothing too weird. Now is my favorite part. We use highlighter. I am using the Merit Day Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Cava, and I like just to use my finger and I just plop that into the inner corner of my eye. It just brightens it a bit, and I also just learned this off of other random YouTubers. And then I just do a dot on my nose and like a little streak slash line down my nose. I feel like that just adds some highlighting. And then I just put it on the cheeks or like the cheekbone. I think I kind of just drag it at that point. I don't really care. I just use my fingers to smudge it out and everything, but I love it. And then I put excess underneath the brow bone. Now it is time for blush. I am just using my Milk Makeup blush slash cheek combo thing that I got in a Sephora birthday box from months ago. Yes, I'm still using this. I still have a lot left. Anyways, I just kind of like flush that throughout my cheeks just for that warm look. And now this is something new I've been trying. So I got this like little freckle pen. It's called the Freck XL pen. It's sold at Sephora. Basically, you just dot little dots on your finger and you kind of just like stamp them onto your face to make freckles. And I think that's so cool because as you can see, I only have like 2 beauty marks. Those really aren't freckles at all, but I always loved freckles, so now I can just do it and I think it's super cool. So let me know how you guys like this. I'm kind of still experimenting. This was only like my 3rd time actually trying it, so they're a bit wonky, but I think I like it. Now it is my least favorite time. I'm using my half broken eyelash curler that probably rips out more eyelashes than it should. I'm basically just curling them upwards because I have stubborn Asian lashes. I'm using my favorite mascara. Well, it's not my favorite, it's the only one I have. It's the Essence Waterproof Lash Princess Mascara. You need waterproof for Asian lashes, but it's so annoying. I hate taking this stuff off. It basically just rips out my eyelashes, but it does work. Anyways, I'm just putting that on both of my eyelashes. I rub so much off. Like I literally use like barely any mascara because it just weighs down my lashes so much. But anyways, now we're on to lips. This is my favorite product. This is the Etude Fixing Tint Lip Gloss, or like lip stain, whichever you want to call it, but I absolutely love this stuff. Ever since I got it, I've been using it non-stop, and you can make a gradient lip with it. It's super cool. I don't have enough products to make a gradient lip, but you know, that option is there if you're good with makeup. And that is the completed makeup. Hope you guys like this, but now we are on to hair. I don't like my hair right now, so we're gonna do some pigtails. So I'm just taking those out, unbraiding them, and because my hair was in braids, it is now gonna be wavy, so it's gonna look super cute for the hairstyle. Enjoy. I am using my go-to dry shampoo. I just started using this. It's the Dove dry shampoo, and I actually love this. Like, it actually works in my hair. Plus, I also changed my shampoo and conditioner, so my hair just like stays not greasy a lot longer now. And I just put my hair up in my iconic half up, half down. I absolutely love this stuff. And my earrings, they are from Howl's Moving Castle. I absolutely love them, and that is the look. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. Sorry, I'm just literally feeling myself in all of these shots. I really felt cool and like I looked great. Anyways, now on to the outfit. Welcome to the outfit portion of the video. This is my favorite. My shoes are old school Vans. Absolutely love these. I wear them all the time. My jeans are from Garage. They're just my newest ones. They are super long and baggy. And then my tank top is also from Garage, and that is the completed outfit. I absolutely love this. Super like springy / summery, even though we're in winter, but it's fine. No one has to know. Thank you so much for playing along with me and helping me get ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look out for more of these super fun videos. I absolutely love making them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!